Your engine is burning more oil every day. You know it's time for an overhaul. And you've invested thousands in maintenance and upgrades, so you don't want to sell it. You need a qualified service facility that will get the job done right. Cummins Sales and Service has the solution. We are committed to keeping you up and running. For over 40 years, CAG Truck Capital has worked exclusively financing trucks and engine overhauls. CAG works with Cummins Sales and Service to get the benefits of a nationwide manufacturer's warranty, quality OEM parts, an increased resale value of your truck, and the highest level of overhaul. CAG and Cummins Sales and Service will help you through the entire process to get you back on the road again. So ask about CAG Truck Capital or visit cagtruckcapital.com and get your truck back on the road.